Friends, how are you? Friends, nature, the ultimate master, is quite capable of changing your scene without asking you. वैसे तो कहते हैं कि खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तदबीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे बता तेरी रज़ा क्या है। लेकिन कभी कभी ऐसा होता है आपकी रज़ा कुछ और है और कुदरत कुछ और कह रही है। एट दैट टाइम me and the observer in me aligns with the nature, because that is where you get your highest vibration. So आज सुबह का सीन देखा आपने 5:15 से मूसलाधार बारिश ज़ोरों से शुरू हो गई और उस मूसलाधार बारिश के शुरू होते ही दिल से वो राग निकला जो आज से 10 साल पहले हमने सीखा था। वो निकल रहा था और हम देख रहे थे। कैसा था वो राग? राग देश था। हमने सीखा था, 10 साल पहले सीखा था। एंड व्हेन इट वाज कमिंग आउट ऑफ योर सबकॉन्शियस, आई वाज वाचिंग द प्रोसेस। मेहारे बन बन डार डार, मेहारे बन बन डार डार, पपीहा बोले मेहा बौछारन बरसे, सदा रंग जियरा लरजे, मेहारे बन बन डार डार, कारी घटा घन फिर उमड़ावत, कारी घटा घन फिर उमड़ावत, सदा रंग जियरा लरजे, मेहा बौछारन बरसे, मेहा बौछारन बरसे, मेहारे बन बन डार डार, मुरला बोले मेहा बौछारन बरसे. It's still continuing, but now it's not cats and dogs, it's just drizzling. But the earth is wet and cool breeze is blowing outside. No wonder we'll go out and we'll feel that cool breeze also. And prior to that, let us have the full manifestation of that. The observer is observing that the rain was able to activate your subconscious mind, and it was an input that received your subconscious mind, and it was able to pull out that rag out of this. So how much the nature is connected with you? It's not only connection, it's the nature within you, which is outside and inside is all same. And besides that, now that we are observing the emotion and the working of the subconscious and emotion, we go from here consciously to the intellect, buddhi, right? भावना, उसके बाद बुद्धि. अब बुद्धि में देखें तो आज के दिन के सारे कामों पे नज़र जाती है कि ये काम हमको करने हैं, ये डॉक्यूमेंट्स हमको देखनी है, यहाँ पे हमको जाना है, यहाँ हमारी अपॉइंटमेंट है. ओके, विल पे अटेंशन टू दैट. एंड बिसाइड्स दैट, वट एवर वी डू, we will do for the benefit of the self and the benefit of the universe. And beyond that, if you travel from there to the Sahasrara, you will see that, well, you can see the unity, you can see that it's all connected, like you are connected at all chakras, you are connected up to that point. But needless to say that you can't live here, because in order for you to have better sleep, you have to walk down from here. You can go on the top of the mountain, but you can't sleep at the mountain. You'll have to come down and surrender to the earth, and that is what we do. We surrender to nature, and we surrender to earth. We surrender to all the forces for being kind to us, for sustaining us, and we are grateful to all those people and all the technology which makes it possible for us to express ourselves, family, friends, and relative for their appearances, and we continue with our journey. Okay, and you also do that, because today the input that I received from the nature early morning when I was exercising, I heard a sound and the rain, and to me, it worked so very well that it was able to remind me of that rag which used to be my favorite at one point in time, and needless to say, it is so even now. And with the season, it comes out and gives us enough impetus to continue with our journey. Okay, so I hope your observer is on and you are going to be working at your highest potential today. Thank you so much. God bless you. Stay tuned and चलिए आज की यात्रा शुरू करते हैं.